Good morning, everybody. I have Virginie here with me from Crave and Cook. If you don't know about her, you need to know about her. She cooks the most magnificent, easy, delicious meals that kids love.
Thank you. Hi, guys.
You are incredible.
Thank you.
And I feel so honored to have you in my kitchen today making breakfast for back to school.
Yes.
What are we making?
We're making no-bake granola bars that are super easy. It takes a few minutes to put together in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then breakfast is done, and they keep for 2 to 3 weeks.
Wow, love that.
Amazing. Plenty of goodies. It's healthy, but tasty enough that the kids will like it.
Perfect, that's what we want.
Yes.
Yeah. Healthy and them not eating doesn't work.
No, doesn't work.
That's why her blog is awesome. She really does have recipes that kids eat. So let's get to it. What are we doing?
So I have here some oats, 1.5 cups, and then we're adding some chia seeds, 2 tablespoons, and then I have some sunflower seeds, but you can do any kind of seeds. I mean, the oats is the base, the chia seeds is fun, but you can always mix it up with walnuts, pepitas and everything.
Right.
Shredded coconut because I love it.
Mm.
And then here we have the wet ingredient that will bind it together. I have cashew butter, coconut oil, and then maple syrup to make it sweet.
Okay.
And then adding the chopped dates. I removed the pit, or I don't know how you call that, and then I just chopped them roughly.
Right.
And it's getting a little bit sticky, which is what you want.
All right.
And make sure it's just well combined so you get a nice bite of everything when you bite into it.
Perfect. And all the ingredients will be below so you can get exactly the measurements you need. You can also go over, and I'll have all the information on Virginie's website and blog so you can follow up and get all the ingredients that you need to make it.
And then here I have a pan lined up with parchment paper,
Okay.
because when you do it that way, then you just have to lift it up and it's easy to
Oh,
cut.
smart. It's parchment paper. That's good. Look at that. It smells really good. Coconutty, sweet, yum.
And if you don't want to, you can either go with your hands, and if you don't want to, you just press down.
Awesome.
And if you want it even, you can even just press with the bottom of a jar. And then when that's done, you put it in the fridge, or if you're in a hurry, you put it in the freezer for 10 minutes, and then you get it out, and then you cut it in whatever shapes you like, and then it's ready.
Awesome. We're going to put it in the fridge and we'll be right back. Okay, we just took this out of the fridge, and now what are we going to do?
We're just going to cut it.
All right.
And then you can do whatever shape and size that you want. It lasts longer if you keep it in the fridge. And then you can make it thicker, you can make like nice little forms.
It's fantastic. And you can send this as a snack if there's a, nut policy at your school is all good. This is a great snack to take to school.
Yes.
Love this.
And there you go.
You saw, I love that. Well, I'm going to have to try this now.
Yes.
Let's see.
That's the best part, is tasting. The longer it stays in the fridge, the easier it is.
Thumbs up. Yum. Oh, that's like dessert. That's so good. Oh, Crave and Cook, Virginie, right here on Alley Mom Magazine. Make sure to check out her blog. All the ingredients are down below. And we will definitely have you on the show next time for lunches.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. I'll see you guys next week.
Bye.